Have you ever wondered how a car tire is made? This simple black ring carries your life on the road. It is built from multiple engineered layers. Let's step inside a tire manufacturing factory. Everything begins with raw materials. Rubber and chemicals are loaded into a giant mixer. High heat and pressure blend the materials. A strong rubber compound is created. The compound is rolled into sheets. Thickness is carefully controlled. The sheets are cooled slowly. They are prepared for shaping. The tread is shaped using an extruder. This creates the grip pattern. The tread strip moves forward. It is cut to tire size. Surface quality is checked. The tread is ready for assembly. Steel cords are prepared. They are coated with rubber. Belts are cut at precise angles. They add structural strength. Fabric layers are prepared. They improve flexibility. Sidewalls are shaped separately. All components move to assembly. The tire building machine begins assembly. First, the inner liner is applied. Fabric ply is added. Bead rings are positioned. Sidewalls are attached. Bead rings are positioned. Steel belts reinforce the center. The tread is wrapped around. All layers are compressed. The tread is wrapped around. This is called a green tire. It now moves to the curing stage. It enters a curing mold. The mold closes under pressure. High heat activates vulcanization. Pressure shapes the tire perfectly. The final tread pattern is formed. It now has strength and elasticity. The tire cools down. Each tire is balance tested. Load capacity is checked. Internal layers are scanned. Surface inspection is performed. Specifications are printed. Branding is added. It is packaged securely. They are stored safely. They are shipped worldwide. The journey begins. Strong tires means safe driving. The journey begins. And that is how car tires are made. The journey begins.